Welcome to the job site, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about a couple things. One is, what does it look like when we first get started on a basement renovation?
Yep.
And I've got our lead carpenter here, Mr. Devin Hanlon.
What's going on, everybody?
Hashtag Hanlon for the win. So Devin, tell us what we're doing here. What are we working on?
So we're working on a basement here, and we're gonna kind of go over what we would initially at least start with. So as you can see so far, we've got these bottom plates down. So usually what we do first, and you can almost kind of see it still a little bit, is we go around and we do our bottom layout.
So this is a layout here, Devin, these X's. This is where like a framing member will go?
Yep.
Yep.
So basically what we do is we look at our plans and we see where our walls are in the plans. So we got a wall here, here, here. That's actually what we're looking at here. That's L here. And we have our measurements. So we got 2 feet off of the oil tank. There's our oil tank.
Yeah.
So we know we got to start our wall 2 feet off the oil tank, and we carry that through. So that's step number 1, is basically snapping chalk lines on the ground to make our layout on the floor. And then we go around and we nail down our pressure treated 2x4s on those chalk lines. It will usually be these bottom plates like we were talking about. Depending on the size of the basement, of course, the bigger the basement, the obviously more plates there's gonna be. But usually day 1 and day 2, you're gonna see bottom plates go down.
There's some lumber here.
Yep, the lumber's
being brought down.
Lumber being brought down,
Yep.
and then obviously we're getting walls up. So that's kind of what we've started here, is we've started nailing up our top plates.
Yep.
That we also have laid out, and we start nailing or cutting and nailing our studs up.
Okay.
So that is usually what you're gonna see day 1. Lumber, plates, layout, and then you're gonna start seeing walls go up.
Yeah, and I would imagine a basement that's really, really big, it might actually look like in the first couple days with these plates kind of getting set up that not much is happening.
Yeah,
right?
It can definitely look that way, because it does. It appears that it's just wood on the ground, which is fair. It is.
There's some wood on the ground.
There's a plate on the ground.
There's a plate on the ground.
But there's a
Yeah, so we've had customers say like, oh, when do the walls go up? I've actually had customers say that to me.
Yeah.
I'm like, trust me, it's kind of like paint. The first couple days are more prep, and then it'll just feel like it all happens at once the walls start going in.
Yeah, once the walls go up, they usually start going up pretty quickly. So it'll start looking like a space.
So that's what you can expect on the first day or two of a team like ours coming in and framing a basement for you.